Good evening, guys. And these are questions from Pope's criticism that we can see from other state set exams. And I'll start with Maharashtra set 2022. And first question is, who are true critics according to Pope? Those who follow nature and classical rules. And the second question is MS set 2020, that is was from of an essay on criticism is heroic couplets. Tamil Nadu set 2019, they have asked Pope's critical philosophy emphasizes moderation, moral taste and classical imitation. Kerala set 2018, the sound must seem an echo to the sense. This line stresses poetic decorum and harmony. And West Bengal set 2017, Pope's neoclassicism is characterized by a rational clarity and imitation of nature. Maharashtra set 2015, the Dunciad is best described as mock epic satire. And Kerala set 2013, Pope's criticism combines wit, reason and moral sense. Tamil Nadu set 2011, and the guiding principle in Pope's essay on criticism is follow nature. And GATE UPSC mains questions, GATE 2023, Pope's essay on criticism is a didactic poem on poetic taste. And 2020, which of the following best summarizes Pope's view, that is nature and rules are harmonious. 2019, the sound must seem an echo to the sense, this technical harmony. And in NET, they have asked, true wit is nature to advantage dressed. That is, what often was thought but never so well expressed. From which work is this line taken? An essay on criticism. And June, in Pope's an essay on criticism, what does a little learning is dangerous thing mean? Superficial learning leads to error. This is important question for NET. And 2018, fools rush in where angels fear to tread. What does Pope criticize here? Rush critics and writers. This is, we can say, in essay on criticism. And Pope's concept of nature in an essay on criticism means universal reason and order. And in 2015 June, first follow nature and your judgment frame by her just standard, which is still the same. What does Pope advocate? Obedience to universal and classical rules. In 2013, what is this bit which must our care engage? How often the meaning and the sound agree? Pope emphasizes correspondence between form and content. 2010, which of the following best describe Pope's critical outlook? That is rational. And Pope's an essay on criticism made modeled on Horace's Ars Poetica. Pope's an essay on criticism modeled on Horace's Ars Poetica. And in June, those rules of old discovered, not devised, means rules of poetry are discovered from nature, not invented. And in December 2006, which work uses heroic couplets to the present literary theory, that is an essay on criticism. June 2005, Pope's critical outlook stresses morality and universality in art. And the phrase nature methodized is used by Alexander Pope. Which of the following lines belongs to Pope? Poets are born, not made. Little learning is a dangerous thing. And in 2000 December, which of the following is true of Pope's critical theory? It fuses Horatian ethics with poetic art. Thank you.